Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day is going well so far because we're back shopping at HomeGoods. This time of year is one of my favorite times of year. We have Mother's Day coming up. There's still lots of spring items. Summer items are coming in, and the chairs, now these are lovely. They are sold separately. They're $180, but this is from the brand Pollywood. This is an expensive brand, very durable, and the best part, you don't have to put them together. Just get them home, and it's still lots of faux flowers and even the books. I think these books would make a great Mother's Day gift. They're $20 each. So definitely look out for those. They're kind of scattered throughout the store, but the faux flowers, there are different price ranges. For example, this one is $13. I love the size of it. That would be great on a nightstand or a side table. Beautiful. Now this one has a higher price of $50. It's pretty, but I'm not sure if it's $50 pretty. Now this one is gorgeous as well. And this one is $35. So you can see there's different price ranges here. Now, if you are just looking for a planter, we have some for indoors and outdoors. There's some beautiful ones, so many different styles. And if you're looking for like small trinkets for Mother's Day, definitely rush to HomeGoods. These are just so adorable. There's so many fun little gifts, perfect for not only Mother's Day, but showers, because I know wedding season is here. I know wedding season is pretty much all year round, but I know there's a lot of weddings in May and in June. And so for showers, baby showers as well. I mean, look at this body care set. $13. And then if you're looking for to add some extra scents to your home, that one is $10. Cute lotion sets right now, and this is the best time of year. Or if you want to start, shopping for the holidays early, you could definitely do that. I mean, there are some cute items. I love this little dish, $7. And then we have Teachers Appreciation Week. That is starting Monday, May 4th for the whole week. And there are some great gifts. So if you're wanting to get something little, there's a lot of great cards. I know the mugs. I know teachers, they have a lot of mugs, but there's some notebooks, and they just have a little bit of everything here. So definitely look out for these because those are so fun. And if you are just needing thank you cards, definitely look at HomeGoods. I mean, look at the price, $5. There's some really pretty simple ones. And then more teachers mugs. And then with the teachers, we have some Mother's Day in this little area as well. So the mugs are about $6 each. If you're ever looking for a mug, always check out HomeGoods. They have some of the best ones, and they have such a huge selection. Okay, this is super cute. This little flower pot. It's $20. I know it's on the pricier side. And if you are needing a new wreath for your door, and these will last forever, just dust them off once a week. $30 for that one. And then this one, our patriotic wreath, that was $30. That was really pretty. They have so many different options too. And then we talked about planters. I mean, look how cute this one is with the asparagus, $30. Lots of different price points. Now, the tea items have definitely sold down. Beautiful canisters. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. Oh, this is on clearance for $20 or $19 actually. Oh, that is pretty. You could store tea in there as well. Now, the spices. Oh, there's a taste of Portugal. As you may or may not know, I am Portuguese, and I'm going to assume there is paprika in this. Let me look at the ingredients. There it is. It's the second ingredient. Yes. And, being Portuguese, I do put a lot of paprika in most of my food. And then the honey. Oh, look how cute these are. These would make a great gift if you are purchasing tea, maybe a teacup. I mean, look how cute this jar is. It also includes the honey dipper. Now, that was about $15. I know it's a little pricey. There's so many different honey options, and I love this great variety. And if you're looking for maybe for coffee, there's so many different coffee cups. I know we talked about the mugs. If you're looking for espresso cups, I mean, look how cute this is. It's so tiny. Set of 6 for $8. And then this is a set of 4 for $10. Here's a different set of 6. That one is $7. So different prices. I'm seeing so many mugs around the store. Everywhere I turn around, there's so many different mugs. Oh, I like the books. That one is $6. Oh, that's cute. There's so many cute mugs. And then look at these canisters. We have the lemon cookies and the strawberry cookies. And you definitely need to like look under things. Now, I love the canister, $15. So when you're done with the cookies, you could reuse that canister. I found some mugs under here for $15 for 2 of them. And there's just so many items right now. This time of year, as I mentioned, my favorite time, $7 for that tray. Because you're getting spring and summer and everything's just so bright, very happy. Just, I don't know what it is, but I just could skip through the store if I knew I wasn't going to run into something. Now, I love these covers. They're $20. The hardest is storing them because, you know, they're kind of bulky, but they're lovely. And then if you're looking for a pitcher, now this is $20. It is plastic, but you could infuse your favorite fruit. Now the brand Linux, sometimes I see this at Macy's. It can get expensive, but here at HomeGoods, of course, they're going to be a better price, $8. Oh, I love this small pitcher. That's only $8 as well. I wasn't sure if that one is Linux, but I mean, it matches everything. And the fruit, strawberries and cherries. And we've seen this the last few weeks. Oh, even watermelon. Lots of strawberry shortcake. One of my dear friends collects strawberry shortcake. $7. And I remember only finding strawberry shortcake in antique stores. Now, I love the strawberry, that platter with the dipper. That was so cute. And look at the cherries. $6. Oh, I like this. I don't need it, but wow, $6, that's not a bad price. Very tempting, but I'm going to put it down. Oh, I am loving these teacups and saucers. Oh, these are gorgeous. $15. Yeah, I think it's worth the price. Those are so pretty. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh, I love this little snack tray. Your crackers, your cheese, your fruit, your honey, and your olives. See, I could only find one. I would love a set of 4. They're $8 each, but I think those would be so fun. Now, the last time I was at HomeGoods, I saw the bears, and it was this one down over here with the daisies, but the bears are holding different flowers. Oh, look how cute. Now, I think this would be perfect for a little vase. $8, place some more flowers. That would make a great gift. Because I really wouldn't drink out of it, but it's just so cute. And if you are a fan of the movie Up, this is from Pixar, look how cute this little set is. That saucer with the cloud. Oh, that's $13. Oh, those are going to sell out so fast. Those are adorable. And with graduation coming up, I cannot believe how fast this past school year has gone. And for everyone who's graduating, congratulations. And those are $10 a mug. Oh, I'm loving this set. $7. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, there's some gorgeous sets around here. Oh, that is really pretty too. I'm kind of wondering, how early are we going to start seeing Halloween? You think the end of June? I will definitely be here to check it out. And I'm not sure if I'm ready for the holidays yet. I'm kind of enjoying this moment. But there are a lot of clearance items right now. I mean, look how cute this mug is. Sometimes when we see clearance, you know, there might be a little chip, but they are definitely moving a lot of items out. So I know this is going to vary from store to store, but definitely check out your local HomeGoods. And then we have Father's Day coming up in June. And this is a really cute set. Now, my husband does like an old-fashioned, but he's not a fan of the smoked old-fashioned. And of course, my husband doesn't smoke cigars, but If you have a dad who loves those, definitely check those out. And this is just so pretty. Oh, $17 a table runner. I am a sucker for tablecloths, and I love this one. Oh, that is super cute. Oh, it's elastic for $15. Oh, that is great. Oh, that is pretty if you have a beach theme going on. And I love these indoor and outdoor ones. I picked up a couple and they wash so easy. Oh, this is really pretty, especially with Memorial Day, 4th of July coming up. And I like this one. I know, I like pretty much most I see. Oh, that is so pretty. It's just finding the right size. Now, this one looks very similar to the previous one. See, 60 by 120. That's a little too big. And there's lots of fun barware. I mean, look how pretty this is. Oh, that is beautiful. $9. Okay. And then we have our cocktail shaker set for $17. And the lemons, oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this right here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, it spins around. That's $20. I really want to see these bowls, but they are in the middle of the table and I don't want to knock anything over. So I'm just going to have to keep moving on. Oh, look how cute. Are these measuring spoons? $13. Oh, that is adorable. See, look at this clearance table. There is some good stuff here. Very tempting, but I'm just going to keep moving on. Look how cute this is. Oh, it's a Turkish coffee warmer. Now, I have one like this. It's a little bit larger than this size, but you know what I like this for? It's $13, heating up butter. But you can also heat up your coffee. That's a good size, but I prefer, mine's just a little taller. It's just as narrow, but just a little taller. And then look how cute this one is. Oh, that is adorable. $6. And that would be great if you have an espresso machine as well. And then look how cute this is. It's a mini grater for $2. I fear I would cut myself with it. And if you are needing a new dish drying mat, there's some really pretty ones. They wash really easy, and I do like to change mine from season to season. But those are lovely, a really great price. If you're needing a new hamper, especially one on wheels, let me see if I could grab a hold of this. $30. Oh, there's two sizes. Okay, that's for the big one. And then the small one is $20. I like that the lining is removable because so you can clean those from time to time. And then look at these sets. This blue and white pattern is beautiful. And that's a candle holder. Okay, this candle holder is beautiful. $17. And then once the candle is done, you can reuse that. And the frames. I'm so glad to start to see the frames where you can place like individual photos. I mean, look how gorgeous these are. Oh, I really like this one. I like the oval. And then with the mat, that's only $13. Oh, that's a pretty one too for $25. Now this one is like almost like a cork board. You could pin up notes and photos. Beautiful. $20. At first I thought it was a frame, but no, it's like the fabric with it as well. It's pretty. And these bags, now sometimes I will pick these up for gifts. Besides having a regular gift bag, I will use something like this. So one was $7, that is $17. So different price ranges. And then lots of graduation items are coming out. So napkins, decor. So if you are planning, a party, definitely look here because there's some really great items. And for any party, honestly, birthday parties, showers, there's lots of fun little stuff. When it comes to HomeGoods, seriously, you can almost come to the store like every other day. You're going to find so many new items. And if you're looking for party wear, so that set is $8. See, I like that set. I mean, this almost looks real, but it's not. And it is disposable. That one is $17. Ooh, charcuterie cups. Okay, I'm picking these up. Those are cute. And those are $6. Oh, that's not a bad price. And that was the only one I found. And if you're looking for special gift boxes for any occasion, these are so pretty. The nice thing about them, they're reusable. See, I like this one, the Paris. And you can open it up, you can store fun little items in there, treasures. And there's a different one back there. So the smaller one was $8. And speaking of Paris, you know, I was talking about the books. I found an area with so many different books. So that one was $35. Oh, these are my favorite flowers. Oh, that was $20. And then the lampshades. I know every time I visit HomeGoods, I'm always checking out the lampshades, but this is an easy way to kind of make a little change to your room. Maybe you're tired of your lamp. Look for a new shade. It's an easy and more inexpensive than a whole new lamp. I mean, the shades range from about $20 is the most expensive. That was on clearance for $12, different sizes. So here is my little haul. Everyone, we are going to head on out. Thank you so much for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.